Here's a quick video on how to replace a battery in your Audi key fob. You're going to need one of these 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've included a link below in the description that will take you straight there. I'm also going to be using a screwdriver. That is not absolutely mandatory, but I do think it's helpful. So on the back here, you want to press this button and pull your mechanical key out. Now basically there's a latch right here in the center. That's if you have a United States key fob. If it's European, the latches are on either side. So you kind of want to press in here and press against that latch. You can kind of see the backs moving a little bit. You can use your fingernail to pry it in there. But you can just use a screwdriver. You can see right there, the screwdriver can release the latch a little bit easier. And then either use your screwdriver or your key to remove the battery. Make sure you place your new one positive side facing upward like that. Put that in first, clip that, put your key in, and you can test right here. Make sure you got your red light and you're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.